Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarani Salsabila. I am from Agribusiness Program Studi, Trunojoyo Madura University. NIM 003. Okay. I will present about recommendation social enterprise development from the problems of ecological condition and dynamic of coastal communities in Tabaudi Village, Kenjeran District, Surabaya Regency. Okay, the first literature review. RRA method is used for collecting accurate information in limited time when decision on rural development must be taken immediately. And then the PRA is a method of approach to studying rural condition and life from with and by rural communities. And the second, sustainable livelihood framework or SLF. The SLF provides a holistic approach to addressing the most pressing constraints faced by communities. It focuses on understanding how individuals and households acquire and use specific social and economy. A social enterprise community. Social enterprise community is a group or organization that use a business model to achieve social goals, especially in addressing problems such as poverty and community empowerment. Okay, the next is case study. Tabaudi Village is known for its aquaculture activities, namely the cultivation of fish and shellfish in ponds or lands containing seawater or brackish water. This location is categorized as a coastal area because of its proximity to the coast and is often involved in fisheries and aquaculture activity. Mapping of ecological conditions in the Tabaudi reveals various environmental factors that influence and are influenced by fisheries cultivation activity. However, the problem of clean lines around the settlement is very serious because the drainage canals are filled with garbage. Sustainable livelihood framework in Tabaudi. The first, financial asset. Mapping on the dynamic of society, household, and the role of women in Tabaudi sub-district show that some residents work as fishermen with their income depending on the sea catch. However, there are still many residents who live below the poverty line. And social asset, social ties between residents are very strong with group fishermen, PKK, MSMA, and then sharing knowledge and helping each other. Natural asset, aquaculture activities are highly depend on the quality of the coastal environment. Mangrove ecosystem and environment cleanup program contribute to environmental conservation despite the ongoing problem of waste. Human research. Community are activity in government programs such as integrate, helpers, and youth organizations that strengthen local institutions and access to basic services such as education and health. Physical asset in fishing activity, fishermen in Tabaudi still use traditional method. Okay, the next formulation of the problem is use RRA method. The first, income fluctuation. People, especially fishermen, experience unstable incomes because sea catches depend on natural conditions and low market price. And the second, environmental damage due to environmental pollution due to household waste. And the third, poverty. Many people live below the poverty line. And the last, the low level of education in the sub-districts means that many people do not go to school and graduate from elementary school. And is the condition of Tabaudi. Okay, the strategy discussion with group. I'm discussing with my group in the class, and then they are give a solution. And first is promote local regulation that limit the use of single-use plastic, such as plastic bag, straw, and plastic bottle, and dispose of waste in the right place. And scholarship, educational assistance program by providing scholarship financial assistance for children from underprivileged families so they can continue their education. And the third, establishing fishermen cooperative to help stabilize fish price and provide better and fair market access. And the last, the government can increase the scope of social assistance programs such as BLT or PKH. Social enterprise community or SLF in the Tambak Budi area. The community has started running small business like a stall, workshop, and MSME. Fishermen group the self-research product together or fish smoking business managed by fisherwomen. So the social enterprise community can utilize local resource, natural asset, and labor in a more productive way. It is in accordance with the principle of sustainable development that are the foundation of the SLF, namely maintaining the sustainable of natural asset while maximizing economic asset. Okay, that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.